my friends, and welcome to the workshop. We are restoring this wonderful model, and the work is began, but I will show you slowly. This is a little bit advanced. Today, a very important thing. I will show you my way. Is not that way, it's my way, humble my way, to restore these boxes. Boxes are important as well as the models. They are not so important, but if you look, a model, his original box, has a different value than just the model. If used and very used, obviously the price gets down. But I think that we don't have to speak about money, because money are the last thing. This is our passion, so the value is zero, because we never sell nothing of our cars. The one who will come after us, yes, this is important from them, because they don't have our same passions, and they have to work with something important. So it's up to us to leave nice and important things. That's why I ask you not comment, not like, not subscribe. Thank you. Reserve boxes is very important to me. Sometimes boxes are better than the model we make, and that's why they call box art. This is a more than 40-year-old box, and it's not in really poor conditions, but not at the top. The paint on the body, writings here. For sure it's dirt, but it's also broken. So I have to clean and to repair this. There's a lot of work. This Scotch sign. And today I try to do my best. The inside, I think there's nothing to do. And the outside is in good conditions. So the main work on the cover. I leave the cover on the undercover on the case, and I start gloves, very important. I start with this product. This is an Italian product, and it works superbly on plastic. You have your car lights, the rear one, yellow, red, or gray, whatever. If you use this, it returns new. Perhaps on Amazon, if you type this is fantastic. No matter with paint, except for vintage enamels. These are in danger with this product. So I start in a little piece with this we call panno magico, magical tissue, microfiber, and I spray a little bit there. Black. And now you don't see the difference, and this is the difficulty of the work, because it's wet. But here, this one, this doesn't go so well. I can't clean. So the cleaning will be just a little bit better. But here you see that there's a lot of dirt. So I continue to do this, and then second stage. Done. The box is washed. The final result tomorrow, because now all these dark parts are wet and tomorrow became a little bit whiter. Next step, fix the little problems. Then we can go to the car and strip down everything. The box is dry, and you see that here, where the darker line is quite perfect. Great work, fantastic. The writings here are gone, not at all, a little. Now we have to repair these, and this is one, but from here we'll start something worse. So with vinylic glue, just a little bit, and with the finger okay, this is sufficient. On the other corner it's a little bit worse, because here we have, so carefully just to stop the damage. It will be not perfect. Okay, here just this. And here we have a great damage. So this requires a different procedure. We have to work inside. I will put a tissue with vinylic glue. Then I return outside and I work. The tissue, to put the tissue correctly, I have to put the pieces of the paper quite in the same position. It will be not a perfect work, but acceptable. And this has to be done from the inside. First, we have a masking tape. Stop the corner from outside in the right position. Okay, then inside try to place the paper as it was, like this, and here in like this. Sorry for my arm in front of the image, but I don't know a different way to. Okay, now I can put glue here and wait, but I don't think it is a durable system. So I glue here inside like this, and a little bit of glue over this tissue. Do this work carefully, because you have to put the box inside, so this has not to be a problem. Okay, now let it dry, then finish the upper part and the outside. Okay, let it dry. Last touch, a little bit of glue outside. Okay. Okay. Let it dry. And now there's another thing to repair that is not the car. This that is very strange because here there's a little piece. It seems they cut it, but don't know why. Now I put the two parts very near, then I cut a piece of paper and glue the two parts together, not with adhesive tape, because in the time adhesive tape gets away. The transparent, we call it scotch. Okay, strip of paper. Okay, let it dry. This is the instruction book restored. You see here there's a line of the cut, but if you turn the page, of course you can see this new paper, but it's one piece. And another important thing is done. And so, my friends, we started the work for a beautiful, vintage, very rare, very expensive Tamiya model, perhaps the first one. Please write me in the comments if you have better news about this. We restored the box, this is very important, and I'm waiting the instructions repaired to dry. Next video, we strip down the body and we think what is better to do on the body. Leave it so, paint again. The best way to proceed to have a real fascinating vintage model. By now, comment, like and subscribe. Thank you very much for watching. 3-4 days, next video, next step, and our adventure. Che cazzo ne so io? Adventure. Aspetti che io. Bye bye.